In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Instagram Reels with Kapwing. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or a seasoned social media influencer, creating engaging Reels is a fantastic way to connect with your audience, and with Kapwing's user-friendly interface, you'll have your videos ready in no time. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to bring your ideas to life. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Kapwing's website. This online platform is designed to help you create more content with less hassle, and it offers a suite of powerful tools perfect for making Instagram Reels. Once you're on the site, locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with Google. This step is as simple as it sounds, and using your Google account makes logging in a breeze. Just click Sign In with Google, choose your account from the list, and you'll be ready to start on your creative journey. After you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your project dashboard. This is where all of your previous creations are stored and where you'll begin new projects. Find your existing project and click on it to open up the editor screen. Once your project editor is open, we're going to resize it to fit the dimensions of an Instagram reel. In the editor, you'll find a Resize Project button. Click on it. This will present you with a series of options for different video formats. Since we're working on an Instagram reel, you'll want to select the Instagram Reels R916 option. This vertical format ensures your video displays perfectly within the Instagram app, showcasing your work in the best possible light. Once you've selected the Reels format, go ahead and click Resize Project again to apply the changes. Your workspace will adjust accordingly, allowing you to see exactly how your content will look once it's uploaded to Instagram. Now that your project is resized and ready, it's time to export it. Navigate to the Export Project button and click on it. This will bring up several export options. To ensure your reel is compatible with Instagram, select Export as MP4. This format is widely supported and ensures your video maintains its quality when uploaded. Wait for the export to finish. Once it's complete, you can download the file and share it on your Instagram profile. Kapwing takes care of the technical details, leaving you free to focus on the creative side of content creation. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Instagram reel using Kapwing. With these tools at your disposal, producing eye-catching reels has never been easier. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different ideas and formats to see what works best for you and your audience. Happy creating!